Hello guys, today I have a Portronics Pure Sound Pro 2 soundbar with a model number POR118. We are going to do an unboxing, a review and a sound test on this. So let's get into it. So let's take a look at the box. On the box we have some features mentioned on it, like it can be controlled wirelessly with a remote control which is included in the box. It has a USB port by which we can connect our pen drives and directly play music from it. It has Bluetooth, auxiliary input and also a micro SD card support as well. On the back side we have some detailed information regarding the soundbar. It also supports FM radio with auto tuning function. You can pause the video to have a look at it. On specifications, we have a 5 watt multiplied by 2, that is, it is a stereo soundbar with total 10 watt output. It can be charged via DC 5 volt input, like 1 ampere charger it is recommended. In the box, we get a remote control with mode, Bluetooth, volume plus, volume minus and forward backward buttons, an auxiliary cable, a micro USB cable but no adapter, and a user manual. The soundbar is pure black in color with a metallic grille on the front, control buttons on the top and inputs on the back. When you turn the soundbar on,
Bluetooth mode.
it says Bluetooth mode and it is ready to pair. Soundbar with your phone, you just need to open Bluetooth setting and tap the Pure Sound Pro 2.
Device pad.
And it says device paired after it is paired. On the top we have some buttons which are the music previous, next music, play or pause, mode. The mode buttons is used to switch between the USB, auxiliary, FM and Bluetooth mode. The volume minus and the volume plus buttons. While on the back we have the power on off button, the micro USB slot for charging, the USB port for connecting our pen drives, micro SD card slot so that we can directly connect our micro SD card with music files and directly play music from it, and the auxiliary input. Okay, so let's explore the connectivity options. As soon as you turn on the soundbar,
Bluetooth mode.
it says Bluetooth mode.
Device pad.
The blinking LED means that the device is ready for pairing, and the stable blue LED means that it has been connected to the mobile device. Now we can play music via Bluetooth. Now let's take a look at the USB mode. For this, we need to connect a pen drive in the USB port on the back. And then change the mode to the USB mode by pressing the mode button. So here we can play music via the USB mode. To go to the FM mode, we press the mode button once again.
FM mode.
It says FM mode and tunes to the last station which was being listened to. To change the frequency, we just need to press the music forward or backward button and hence it auto tunes. Okay, so now it's time for a music test.
ऐसे ना मुझे तुम देखो, सीने से लगा लूंगा, तुमको मैं चुरा लूंगा, तुमसे दिल में छुपा लूंगा.
Okay, so guys, now it's time for the verdict. I have tested Xiaomi Bluetooth speaker, Portronics SoundPod, Portronics Bosch, Logitech X100, Logitech X50 and Philips BT50. For this soundbar, I feel the bass is powerful and sufficient, but the treble and mids are low. As a result, the music does not have much clarity, which will be felt if you listen to English songs. For the price point of Rs 2800, I think it offers a low price to performance ratio, and hence it feels to be a little costly. The F200 Plus, which only lacks a remote, FM facility and a SD card slot, is a better buy because it has better sound quality, a lot lighter in weight and better build quality. Also, the F200 Plus costs about 1000 rupees less. At this price point, if you want a portable Bluetooth speaker, I would suggest the Xiaomi Bluetooth speaker, which costs about 2500 rupees. It is an excellent speaker with high bass sound clarity and about 10 hours battery backup if you use it at 50% volume. Or if you want a soundbar, FND F200 Plus is a better choice. Hope you like this review. Please like, share, comment if you have any query or suggestion, and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, but it means a lot to guys like us. Thank you.